Hello students, this is the 8th part of our 4th lesson. It is 1.4 Big Data, Big Insight. So open your books, page number 38. On this page number, point number 5th, sports. From here we are going to start today. Now listen carefully. Sports, number 5. So what is the use of big data in sport that we are going to learn in this point? When watching a cricket match, we are shown so many permutations. Permutations it means each of several possible way in which a set of numbers of things can be arranged or ordered. So permutation it means each of several possible way. There could be many way, and in those many way, each way, possible each way in which a set of number of things be arranged or be ordered. That is called permutation. When watching a cricket match, we are shown so many permutation and combination. Combination it means act of joining many things together. Of statistic analysis. Statistical it means facts given in the form of figures or numbers. Statistical analysis. So when we are watching any cricket match, that time there are given many permutations or combination of statistical analysis. It means there is given the name of a batsman, how runs he made, on how many balls, which over is going is in running, how many wickets fallen, how is the condition, all this kind of information you get on your screen. That all information is called permutations, and that all information is called statistical analysis. It means the analysis, examination, detailed examination or separation of the facts. What facts? Facts of figures, facts of number, actual number, what is happening at that time, accurately at that time. A gigantic data, gigantic it means of immense size. A gigantic data has been created over a period of time for the recording of matches. So, from many years, there are players playing matches, there are institutions handling or arranging matches, and all those matches are shown on your TV set, and those all matches and their data collected in a very big computer or server, and that big data is helpful for the sports person. A gigantic data has been created over a period of time for the recording of matches, training sessions and workout. Workout, it means a session of strong physical exercise. So these all data are collected from recording of matches, players training sessions and players very strong, very hard physical exercise. All these data are collected by another teams members who have to analyze this data for the players to understand the players, what are the players of another team going to do in the next match. The data enable it means make able the sport person to study his performance as well as the other players worldwide. So what is the use of this big data? That big data help the any sport person to understand his own performance, what kind of drawback he is having in his performance, and what kind of drawbacks other person of other team having in his performance. All this information any sport person could get with the help of big data. It is tremendously means greatly. It is tremendously helped in improving individual as well as the team performance, and this big data help not only any individual sport person but also help for the whole team to improve their performance. The sensor embedded it means to fix firmly in surrounding mass. The sensors embedded in the sport equipments help us to understand our game from close quarters. From close quarters it means from close quarter, it means very closely or overly close. The sensors which are fixed into sport equipments, bat, ball or any other thing, those sensors are helping to the sport person to understand everything from a close quarter, very closely, understand everything very closely, minutely everything. The sensor help us to understand the field condition, the weather, individual performance, etc. These sensors help in understanding field condition. What is the field condition, and according to field condition how any player could play, and weather condition, what is the weather going to change in the next minute, in the next hour, Individual performance, any individual player of our team or others team, what is his individual performance, what are his drawbacks, what are his strong point, all this information could get anyone from these big data. Video analytics help us to see each and every performance minutely. Minutely it means of every minute. Extremely small. So these video analytics, these video examination, detailed examination help us to see each and every performance minutely, very closely of every minute performance of every player we can see with the help of these videos, with the help of this big data. So students, this part ends here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.